Hello, it's Adrian and Joe from Advanced Dental Artistry. So we did a rebranding at ADA because we have had the same brand for a long time, and we really felt that with the progressive practice, we really wanted to change the whole appearance of the practice. And I think a rebrand really refreshes everything and brings together where we are now after 20 years of being a practice.
Our current branding has served us really well and has been great for leading the way in our industry up until now, but we feel like now is really time for a change.
So we had a branding agency that we used to actually do this. We realised how important it was as a process to make sure that we get it right. And a lot of it was really discovering and talking to us about what it meant for us to do treatment on our patients and our clients. And I think what it meant for us as a whole team when it came to the new brand.
The process has taken 6 months. It was a lot of workshopping, getting to know what's important to us, who we are, who we want to be talking to, and then incredible process of really getting to know what we feel like that needs to look like and how we can speak the message that we want to speak. We went through this branding process with just a few team members, so we kept it a big secret from the rest of our team, and there was a lot of excitement brewing about what our new brand was going to look and feel like. So just before we broke up for Christmas, we did a big share of our new brand with our team, and that included getting a lot of interesting things together, showing the team everything at once and having a bit of a party to celebrate our new look and feel.
So I think because of how involved the process is, you'll actually see a huge change around the practice, our branding, of course, our socials, and how we're seen externally. But internally, we're the same team, we're the same people, and giving, of course, the same level of service and care.
I feel like our new brand is really well considered. So now we really feel like that it reflects who we are on the inside. And in the past, I think patients have been really surprised at their experience when they've got here, which must have meant that our external message wasn't speaking to them in the way that we wanted it to. And now our branding is really bold and playful and fun.
I think the new branding is very unique. I think across the board with most brands, they are quite conservative and I think a bit boring. And I think our new brand really reflects us as a team, and especially our culture, the way that we always put our clients first and make sure that they're at the forefront of the treatment we do and the outcomes that we have.
I hope that the new brand still shows everyone exactly who we are, so people who already know us feel really comforted by it, they feel really proud of it, they feel excited by it, and I really hope to new patients who don't already know us that it just makes them really want to get to know us.
Stay tuned for the next few days for the reveal of our new brand. I hope you love it, and please leave your comments.